Hey guys, welcome back. Pablo here, and today we have the Murpiso 3-in-1 folding wireless charger. So we'll take a look at what is inside the box, what it comes with, and how it actually works. So today we're only going to do kind of more of an unboxing and first impressions. Use it a little bit, but then I'll come back with a separate video to see how well it actually is over, a couple of weeks or so, and then do a longer term review, because sometimes some products are good in the beginning, but then as time goes on, they're not really that good. So we'll do a longer term review a little later on. So here is the nice little carrying case that the charger comes in. And you can also obviously use this when you travel instead of just throwing it into a bag, or maybe just not take this at all because it's a little too bulky, right? So let's see what we have inside. Nice. First thing, we have our power brick, or our power adapter, USB-A there. Also have a cable, USB-C to USB-A. So that fits nicely. Get that out of the way so it doesn't fall. Fits nicely right there. Your power adapter will fit right here. And then we have the actual charger. Put this to the side. Wrapped in this little plastic thing. And here is the charger itself. Here you are. So take a look at that quite quickly. You're gonna have this one for the watch, this little pad here for your AirPods, and then for your phone right over here. Nice black color, and also feels actually nice to the touch as well. It's a nice velvety finish to this. Gonna guess it also doesn't really slide around because of that little finish on that as well. We're gonna plug it into this little slot here. So it folds up, I think like this for easy carry. There is like these magnetic little tabs up here and over here. We'll figure out what those actually do, because I guess that's a thing. I'm not exactly sure, so we'll figure this out together. As we're playing it around, we're gonna plug it in and see how well it works. Before we do that, I do wanna show you what models are compatible with this particular charger. And I'm just gonna put it right here for you. Hopefully it focuses and you can get all the different models. You have all your iPhones with the MagSafe charging, some Samsung phones, LG phones, some Google phones, and Huawei. I'm not quite sure exactly how to say it. On there you also see which watch, which I believe it's only Apple Watch, and then you also have your AirPods that have wireless charging. So the different ways of using, I'll put that right there again. I guess it does fold into a triangle if you wanted to. You can do it flat, triangle, and then folding charging to become, I don't know what that second one really is talking about there, but those are the three different ways of using this particular charger. And let me show you this over here. It looks like the charge status is expressed by the indicator light that's on the actual charger. So I'm gonna put that right there for you as well to take a look at that. Over here you have some user tips for the charger itself. Let's see how this works. It's plugged in. You can see that the light is green, which is the standby state, as they say. Right here there's a button, go this way, that can turn the lights on and off. So let's put the AirPods and the Apple Watch on it, see how it charges. Let's lift that up, put that there. As you can see, it is charging. And now we'll put the AirPods in here or on here, and it lights up. So that is charging. I am using my iPhone to record this, so I won't be able to put it on right now, but I will for sure in some B-roll put it on here so you can see how all three work or how all three charge. And I guess the light will only change when this has an iPhone on it. Let's see how else. I want to see that triangle thing. So let's get the this thing here, the instructions, and see what it is that they are talking about. So it says suitable for a phone holder. So let's take this off, put this down, and I guess it's what I was showing you earlier. And you would do like this, so you can charge both your watch and then you can charge your phone at the same time. So I'm guessing you can also put this down and now be able to charge your phone. Well, no, that'd be stupid. Sorry. No, that's dumb. You can't because it doesn't hold on to it. At least this one does. I'm not quite sure if there's MagSafe kind of charging with the new AirPods. So I don't know, but that's dumb. Let's not do that. But you can definitely do it this way. Pull it out. Looks like I just pressed that, so let's do that. Put your watch on here. And just like that, it's charging. And over here, as you put the phone here, that'll start charging as well. All right, so there you have it. Here we have the Murpiso 3-in-1 foldable charger. Like I said, we're gonna do a little bit more testing with it to see how well it actually works, if it's worth it. But first impressions, pretty good. Like how it feels, I like the color on it. Pretty easy to use. That way you can have a foldable charger wherever you go. Instead of having to carry all these extra chargers, you just carry this little guy here and you'll be covered to charge all your devices whenever you need to. What are you currently using to charge your devices? Is it something like this, or do you have a cable for each one of your devices? Let's talk specs on the charger here. So it's gonna be 7.5 watts of output for an iPhone or a phone. You're gonna get 5 watts for your AirPods and then 2.5 watts for your watch. So keep in mind you can go wired with the power delivery and you'll get a much faster charge, but this is more of a convenient thing, right? So if you don't want to bring all your chargers with you, get this thing set up and you'll be able to charge. It will be much slower. You only are getting 7.5 watts with this of output for your phone, so it's definitely gonna be much slower than you'd be used to going through power delivery, a PD, USB-C to Lightning cable for your iPhone. So if you want a fast charge, this will not be it. But if you want something a little bit more convenient, this will definitely work out for you. If you've liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Definitely helps out the channel. And if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything, just put them down in the comments section below. I'll link this product down in the description below. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Bye. Peace. See you later.